Welcome to Beehive, the 2001 Lazzara 80, conveniently located in sunny South Florida. The fully teak aft deck has an L-shaped settee, which complements the fully equipped wet bar, including ice maker and refrigerator. Walking into the main salon, you will immediately recognize that she is designed for entertaining in a casual but elegant atmosphere. This yacht has been meticulously cared for by an experienced captain. The black granite wraparound bar offers seating for 4, with double-drawer dishwasher and ice maker. The entertainment system includes a 42-inch flat-screen television and surround sound. The kitchen is always a focal point in a home, and Beehive's country kitchen is no different. Featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample storage space. Beehive offers a fully enclosed sky lounge with drop-down windows, port and starboard, and a pull-out bed for 2 allows for additional guests. The cabriolet model allows for a spacious open-air atmosphere through the use of electronic sliding windows, converting a normally enclosed pilot house into an open-air sky lounge. The helm station offers the most modern electronics and superb visibility. The aft sun deck yields another great space for open-air grilling and dining. On the top deck sits a Novarina tender, with 2 cranes providing both port and starboard access. The full-beam master suite features a centerline king bed and an abundance of bird's-eye maple cabinetry, also featuring large walk-in closets for ample clothing storage. On the starboard side is a large L-shaped settee. The master head includes dual sinks with cream marble counters, jacuzzi tub, and stand-up shower. Beehive offers 2 guest staterooms that mirror one another with double berths. Each includes a separate in-suite head, shower, and cedar hanging locker. From the country kitchen is a private guest crew area that features a port-side washer-dryer and an L-shaped desk, which may function as the ship's office. There's a captain's cabin in the forepeak with an offset double bed. The large cockpit offers dual fighting chairs, a dive compressor, and spacious equipment locker for all your scuba gear. Beehive comes equipped with twin 1150 horsepower MTUs and 2 20 kW Onan generators, each enclosed in sound shields for a quiet ride. As you can see, Beehive is without question the finest example of a late model Lazzara 80.